All right. So we have Daniel asking, how well do poly kilts hold up traveling in a duffel bag?
Poly, not acrylic, but poly.
Polyester, polyviscose.
Polyviscose.
Like
So
our stuff.
it just says poly, so I'm assuming he's meaning like her PV.
Talk about what we know. So
Yeah. So we're assuming for purpose of the question that you're talking about polyviscose fabric, which is our not proprietary, but our fabric for our casual and our semi-traditional kilt. How well do you take care of your kilt, and how is it in the duffel bag? Is it is it like a fade away shot? You just jump and throw it at the bag across the room? Have you when I go traveling? I typically don't hang my kilt and have a hang bag that I bring with me. I usually, if I'm like when I went to to Germany this past summer, I have a carry-on and I have my regular suitcase. I'll put it in the carry-on because it's an expensive item to lose. Now, how I will put it in a carry-on is I fold it in thirds like I'd be wearing the kilt. Yep. Then I fold it in half again so that the pleats are on the inside, and I'm basically folding straight down the center of the front apron. Yep. And then I hit it in the center and fold it over. So it's essentially a square that big, like 12 by 12 or something like that. That's about the size, and then I just neatly put it in there. But it's all in making sure that you are, making sure all the pleats are just so before you fold it.
Play then.
Yep. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. So if you just rumple it up in a ball and shove it into a duffel bag, it's going to look horrible when it comes out. If you fold it neatly and put it into the duffel bag, and especially if you're packing other things in the duffel bag and it's not just like flopping around in there like waving an inflatable arm tube man, then it'll be fine when it comes out. You might have a little bit of a crease across the center of the pleats where you folded it, but just wearing it or either wearing it will probably drop the creases out, or quick travel tip as well, go into your bathroom at the hotel. 90% of the time, they don't have an air circulation fan. So go in there, turn the shower on high, and let your kilt hang in there for 20 minutes. Keep the door closed. By the time you open it, it's a freaking sauna steam room coming out at you. And most of the creases will have dropped out of the kilt. Mm-hmm. Eric.
I have a slightly longer duffel bag, so I will honestly, I'll do the fold in thirds as I were putting on a kilt hanger, and then I will... I'll probably fold it in half, but I sometimes can actually just do a very gentle roll.
Okay.
And I put it in lengthwise on top of everything else in the duffel. Like I pack the duffel and the kilt is the last thing to go in. So it is on the very top. And I just put it in there lengthwise because with my kilt, it fits in the size duffel I have and just laid across the top of everything else. So, and I've never had a problem.
Nice.
Even with the PV ones. But, yeah, I mean, if you have to fold it. But I think there's a lot to be said for don't like really fold it up, but just keep it loose, just shaped as vaguely as possible into the size you need, and put it on top. Don't have anything on top of it in the bag. It's my 2 cents.
Yeah, and generally speaking, PV holds up extremely well, and it's the heat and pressure that makes the creases really, really stick into something. That's why a steam iron is a steam iron and you're pressing on it. But for the most part, you should be fine, especially for shorter trips. Yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it. Mm-hmm. Cool.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun,
ice,
dun.
ice, baby. Or are you doing under pressure? Okay, under pressure. I got it.
Keep your kilt
it was one of the two.
And it's really great, especially if it's wool.
So how do you travel with your kilt? And when you travel with your kilt, do you bring hangers to hang it up when you get to your destination? If you're looking for a kilt hanger for your kilt, check out usakilts.com. We have a whole big selection of this one style. But you get the point. We carry this. It's pretty cool.